We're going to have 3 tie down locations. One will be at the pull rope end of the pool when the blanket is on the water. That will clip off to the lane rope clip in the pool. Each blanket needs to be clipped off for safety and holding the blanket on the pool. And we'll have a option for a tie down through the middle of the pool, which will have left some rope down, and we will send some more rope down, which will give you the ability to tie down the blanket at the ladder end or roller end of the pool. So that will tie off to the 2 ladders, and that will just help secure the blanket, stopping it from lifting with wind. Important to note, do not use lane ropes and the blankets at the same time. It'll cause the blanket to lift and wind can get under it. So our example for pulling the blanket onto the pool, lock our lock pins. We will unbundle our rope just so we're nice and ready. There we go. And then with our second person, we'll pull the rope just to unravel the blanket. And we can help assist that just by unrolling. A couple of rolls. Over and up. Just ensure that when we are pulling the blanket onto the pool, the blanket roller we are rolling is locked with our locking pins in position. Then pull blanket onto the pool accordingly. And then we're going to pull the extendable arm over the extension blocks with the block extension. Be careful of our pinch point here. 2 people, we're going to pull the blanket up and over. And the blanket will engage in the pull, like so. And then what we'll do, this is the example of rolling the blanket up. We're gonna roll the blanket up just to a standing position there. And with our second person, we're gonna pull the extension arm up and over. So it's gonna do a couple of things. Firstly, it's going to center the roller up, so reduce the amount of tipping. And then we're going to roll the blanket up, and then the second person will hold the rope. We'll get a couple of rolls around with our rope. That's going to tie the blanket into position. We can just bundle the rope up and tie it under here. Tie the bundle under here. So we'll just push that under, like so, and then that's going to wrap that up. Ready to store away. Then we can release our pins both sides, and then we'll be able to roll the blankets back to our lock-up position. So this is a process. And then one, it's to make it safe and simple to do. And then keep the blanket in good condition. So once we get it back to our fence, then we'll bolt it off to the fence just so that we can make sure the blanket's not going to go anywhere. And that's our storage position. Again, just making sure our extension arm is folded back and away. And that'll reduce any flopping around. Hey guys, just confirming the roller sequence. We're going to roll the 2 outside rollers up first, and the center roller will be last.